Today we're going to hydro dip Nerf Guns.
Look, we have our Nerf Guns and we have a whole bucket of spray paint. And we have a small bucket of
You don't
water.
need to go on just yet. You don't need them just yet.
Okay, so you're going to do the spraying in the bucket.
Yeah, I'm going first.
Right, what colour do you want?
No, I just...
Gold. You got to give them a really good shake.
What's this one?
That's metallic.
No one likes it.
Silver. I think I just have a lot of gold, pink and silver. Oh, I should have. Oh, I ran out of red. Spray paint your room. Oh, we have some wasp killer in there.
Look at this.
So we've got glitter and we've got gold and we've got silver. You don't want a pink Nerf gun, do you? So we're just gonna have silver and gold. Yeah, silver, yeah.
What's that?
Which one's got the most in it? That feels quite good. Let me have a look at the other one. Does it feel full?
Yeah.
Let me feel it. Gotta give them a big shake. Oh my god, that's a full one. Right, so should we use them too?
Yeah.
This one's like a metallic as well, that's quite good.
These are mine.
Tiny.
These are mine.
Oh, careful. Right, stop. The wind's blowing it on you.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe come this side because the wind's blowing that way. Ah!
It stinks.
Ah! It's going to be on the Nerf gun. No, it's not. It's going to be on the GoPro. I don't even know what I'm saying.
What you do is you mix it.
We could have done with getting some other colours, but we don't have any. We have to use some pink.
I don't want. I can just.
You don't want a pink Nerf gun?
You can use whatever colours you want, but no pink. No pink, okay?
Okay.
But you know I hate pink. Have some metallic.
Mind your pants. And my patio. Ah! And
What?
me!
Metallic.
It just goes on more shiny. I think you do more gold.
Yeah.
Is that gold?
Sure, I could.
Come on, chop, chop.
So I'm gonna do a bit more.
Go low down. Where are you gonna get it on the... Whoa.
See,
So
this
you're
is.
mixing the colours up.
It's better with a bigger tub because you have to do it in the middle and it goes like that.
Because you're getting it all over your finger.
And you have to like spread it
Yeah.
out.
That was just on my bowl. Shall we give it a go?
Should we make it?
Get
I'm
your
gonna
glove
make
on.
it a bit shinier. Perfect.
What happens if you put some gold in the middle of that big silver bit?
Oh yeah, it's
Just a little dot. That one in the middle? There. Right.
it makes it look green.
Okay. Are we
There,
ready?
perfect. Done.
Right, get your glove on.
What you do? You have to get the gloves dirty.
So you've got to be really gentle when you lie it in. And then when you pull it out, you have to lie it on here so it doesn't go on. Wait, you got to dip it in from one end and then... Careful, careful. Right, bring it up. No.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Wait, look at that.
Put it back in. Right, tip it on there.
Whoa, look what I did to my Nerf gun.
What? That's crazy.
But now I have to do this
Right,
one.
wait a minute, let Mummy do the next one.
You can do
And you
this.
know what I'm gonna do?
I really got.
Don't get it on your finger, just stay still. You've dipped Daddy's gardening glove. Just stay over here so it hovers on there, don't drip it anywhere.
That's
Oh wow.
what happened there. That pink.
It's, oh there.
It's dripping on your pack.
Don't drip it. My pink is not very pink.
What's really
Take
nice?
it. Take it.
That's a little
I was trying to get over a pink one, but look at how
my
silver that is.
Look at my Nerf gun.
Not yet from it. My pink doesn't work.
Wow. Very perfect. Look how cool that looks. We should have used a bigger tub because it didn't work that well. You okay? Oh yeah, you've done better because you put more paint in.
Right, where's mine?
Right.
Alright, I'll do the little one. Okay, so here's my thoughts that we're just gonna dip it slowly.
You want it all.
Like that.
Then turn it around.
Ah! What?
Just get it off.
Let's do this side. Hydro dipping. Whoa!
That part will just be nice.
But we've kind of, it's got pink on it, but this one looks like it's dyed. Oh my goodness. Charlie, I actually think you did a better job than me. This actually looks quite cool and speckledy in there. So we need to just, that side's the better side. Let that dry.
That's the best.
Charlie's looks really cool. Mine looks like it's been wrapped in old skin.
I've watched like loads of times people do hydro dipping, so I will go
Right,
to them.
let's. I think I put too much in, that's why I got layers. So maybe you need to do like
Yes,
less.
that's what you do. You do less.
Because look, this bit, I think we get this bit out.
Oh, I got some silver in there.
Look, that yucky bit, get that out. Yak.
That's why.
Let's just pop that on the bag. Yucky. Okay.
Okay, what you do is you should be.
Is that pink? He's got pink. Pink.
Where's silver?
Because we took the lids off. Look at right at the ends. Look at the top where it's come out. That's better than me. That's cool.
I'm gonna put some pink because it might look better.
It actually does look cool.
That's why you should be really careful. That's why if you've done too much layer, you get the metallic. It makes it look less as bad.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not.
It's gonna dry though, and that's what happened to mine.
It dried out.
Right. Go on, get your glove on. Okay. Hydro dip number 3.
I don't. Look what we did one of these before.
Go on.
Okay, it's already gonna be.
Maybe just try and dip the end. Oh no, he's going for the whole thing. Whoa.
What you do is you have
Careful, careful, careful.
to put it in.
No. No.
And look at that hydro dip.
I think the first one was the best. Yours first one definitely
No, but
worked better.
It makes it look cooler
It does, yeah. Pop it next to the first one.
because it looks like it's been like.
That's it. Okay.
So
So Charlie's first one is in the middle, and his second one. First one definitely worked better, and then my little baby one.
subscribe to our channel to win a £50 toy. Bye.
This. Bye.